Hey everybody, my name is Tyler Whitman. I'm a real estate agent with Triple Mint in New York City, and today we're in Brooklyn Heights, one of the most stunning historical neighborhoods in the country. Today, I'm showing you this house, 13 Cranberry Street, nearly 200 years old and restored to absolute perfection. Come inside, you gotta see this place. Before I go inside, one of the coolest upgrades of this house is that this stoop and the sidewalk is heated because nobody wants to worry about shoveling snow. All right, so here we are. This home is magnificent, 25 feet wide, and it's 50 feet deep. Opportunity to have 5 or 6 bedrooms, and the house is done spectacularly. It's just a thrilling property. This home has been completely opened up. Just incredible. The historical details are all still intact, so all of the molding you see here is 200 years old, and one of my favorite details is the crown molding, and if you can see, there are pineapples, oranges, and cranberries that have all been carved from nearly 200 years ago because we're on Cranberry Street. So this open modern style of living is easy to divide up because you have tons of seating up here around a working wood-burning fireplace, one of the few working fireplaces in New York City. And then your dining room is here with another wood-burning fireplace. There are 4 working fireplaces in this home, by the way. There is a ton of light coming through these windows. We're uniquely positioned where you're facing nothing but gardens out of the front and the back of the house, creating a great light well and tons of privacy. And then you find yourself in what is truly an incredible kitchen. This was done just a few years ago by the prolific architects Baxton Gui. You have incredible counter space, you have this beautiful island with the gold marble, tons of storage, top of the line appliances. I mean, this is really, really what people are looking for when they're buying luxury homes in New York City. This staircase is completely original from the early 1800s, and this banister in particular has a wax seal on top, and this is where they would have kept the original deed for the home, and you still can. You can melt this down, put the deed inside, and it's a beautiful detail of owning this place. And if you do own this place, come with me, I'll show you where you sleep. Here we are in the principal suite of this home, which currently expands the entire floor of this beautiful, beautiful townhouse. The floors in here were able to be restored. These are the original floors from 1829. You have this beautiful wood-burning fireplace that can definitely set a mood for any of the romantic nights. Or maybe you're by yourself and that is also okay. You deserve a fire when you buy a $10 million house. And this bathroom is to die for. So originally this was an extension off the home, which is why you're able to have a skylight and 2 windows. You have marble counters, you have marble sinks, so you can just chill in here all night if you want to. This is the perfect room to just do your thing. It's huge, it's open, you can create a great theater here because the light isn't gonna bother you as much down here, but you still have this open and airy space. It doesn't feel like a dungeon like so many of the other cellars that I've been to. And there's even room for a gym with a sauna, and that comes with the house, by the way. But I gotta tell you, there's an amenity outside of this place that really fluffs my pillow. I can't show this house without bringing you to one of the best amenities of living in Brooklyn. This is 20 feet from the front door. You're at the Brooklyn Promenade with the best view of the harbor, the Statue of Liberty, Manhattan, the Brooklyn Bridge. This is the life. Thank you so much for coming. I'll see you at the next one.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?